Here we come to parking garage elevators at the Galleria Tower in Houston, Texas. These are ThyssenKrupp. I forgot to do an updated take on these ones. I totally forgot about these. Unfortunately, the office tower elevators are turnstile and have security desks, so we're not gonna do those. We're not gonna do the security. We're not gonna do the office elevators because I don't wanna risk getting confronted by security. And besides, this is in Houston, so we all know what it's like when it comes to photography. Gotta love that low-pitched buzz. Let's send this up and we'll catch the other elevator car. Oh, the bell already rang. Okay, nice. I didn't know that. Appears to be bottom drive. This one doesn't have the chime. I'm gonna outside ring the bell. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and directly shut off the camera as soon as I get off the lobby because I don't want to be seen. And remember, this is not College Station. College Station is much more friendly. But anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.